Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. In today's video, we're discussing why so many Uber drivers are quitting. We have a brand new article about this woman, and we're gonna get into the story. Now, before I do, I wanna tell you all about Current. Current is a new bank that's paying Uber and Lyft drivers 4% APY. They're also allowing Uber and Lyft drivers to get paid up to 2 days faster, and allowing Uber and Lyft drivers to get no overdraft fees when you go negative $200 in your account. And yeah, you can sign up for Current down below. It's a really awesome new bank, and again, it allows you to get paid up to 2 days faster. So check it out down below if you're ever tight on cash. Might be really helpful to have Current. So check out link below. It's free. They'll send you a free debit card, and over 3 million people use Current. Now, without further ado, let's get started. So this is the article that just was released in Business Insider. I quit driving for Uber at night after hostile riders terrified me. I get better tips in the morning anyway. But listen to this. She drives in Chicago. She isn't quitting driving in the night because of the money. She's driving during the day because of how dangerous it was. I want to hear from you guys. Have you noticed any hostile passengers at night? I've had a few, but honestly, I've had just as many bad ones during the day. I've honestly learned a lot of my night riders are pretty good for the most part, as long as I, kind of stop at around 2. I mean, I've had some bad passengers earlier than that. I've had people touching me. I've had, people trying to ask me out to go join them for their night. I've had, I don't know. I've actually had pretty bad passengers at night as well. But I've had pretty bad passengers during the day too. Anyways, she says, I'm a female Uber driver. Since the start of the pandemic, I've decided not to drive at night at all. Honestly, probably a good idea. I used to drive in the evenings. I live by Wrigley Field, so doing after-game concerts or events are very lucrative. But after a scary situation in 2019, I decided I wouldn't do it anymore. 2 riders became very hostile and threatened me one night, and now safety is my top priority. My new routine is that I get up in the morning and drive. I honestly love getting up at like 4 or 5 a.m. and driving Uber and Lyft, because you start your day off making money. You can start off like, and my favorite thing is like by 10 a.m. I already have $100 in my account. It's like the best feeling in the world. And it's like I can choose to make another $100 later throughout the day, or I can just call it a day and I'm already, up $100. Yeah, I wanted to see what happened at night. She just said she was in a hostile situation. Maybe she didn't want us to say it, but she says, as a female driver, I try to tell other female drivers to avoid the night shift. That's when all the shenanigans happens. But that's when I get the big tips, they might respond. That's when I say, try the morning. Not only are you going to be safer, but you're also going to find out that those business people are going to tip you even better. I've had some of my best tips, honestly, at like 6 a.m., 5 a.m. People going to work, and they just, you don't talk to them. That's honestly, even the best part too, is you just get them, they don't want to talk, and you just go, hey, how are you? Let's go to work, whatever. It's like, you don't want to be like, so anyways, think about politics these days. Just get them in, drive them safely, comfortably, and they will feel very safe and comfortable, and they'll throw you a $5, $10 tip. And it's like nothing to them because they're rich. They're taking Ubers to work. These are your big clientele. So the people at night honestly usually don't tip because it's like they're trying to save money going out, and they're trying to save money so they can buy an extra shot or beer at the bar. So anyways, wanted to share this. Are you guys driving at night? And are you guys continuing driving for Uber at all, or is it too expensive with gas? So that's the update. Let me know your thoughts. Talk to you soon. Bye now.